Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So in this video, we are going to see in detail how to write an effective CV for any scholarship you are applying to, because you know that CV is a very vital part when you are applying for any scholarship, specifically when it comes to Erasmus Mundus scholarship, because it has a weightage of more than 15 to 20% per program, and it can vary according to the program as well. So people actually make a lot of mistakes and in making a good CV, and that's why their chances of getting selected in this scholarship or any other scholarship get reduced a lot, because this is a point where you can actually get the score very easily. So CV is something you can work on. For example, if you have GPA, you cannot improve your GPA by working in this short period of time, right? So if you have like 2.8 or 3.1, you cannot make it to 3.5 and score like 30% of the grading scale of the program. So if you don't know about this grading scale I am talking about, you need to see my previous videos in which I actually told you about how the Erasmus Mundus programs select students based on ranking them according to their profile. So for example, their GPA is given a weightage of 30% in some programs, and their CV is giving a weightage of 15%, and then their recommendation letter is giving a weightage of 10%. So according to their profile, they actually shortlist based on the numbers they get from these weightage, and usually the CV has a weightage of 15 to 20%. So CV is something you can actually improve on. CV is something you can work on, and you can secure 15 out of 15 or 20 out of 20 numbers, which can improve your chances of selection a lot. So in this video, we are going to see, I think it will be a series of 2 or 3 videos in which I will be explaining in detail how you can actually write a very good, a solid, a perfect CV for your Erasmus Mundus scholarship and any other scholarship. So these tricks are applicable to any scholarship you are applying to, because I will be making it general. That will be very helpful at all. So first of all, in this video, specifically, I am going to share with you the 5 don'ts. Like people, I don't know why the students actually make this sort of mistakes. They actually have this, copy pasting stuff, and they just, don't try to put in effort. So in this video, I am going to share with you what you don't have to do. Okay, because this is very crucial, and mostly of the people actually do. So first of all, the thing is, students make a generalized CV. They actually have this, okay, I have achieved this, I have achieved this, I have achieved this, and it like 3 to 4 pages CV, and they actually generalized it for every program, and they actually send it to every program. Okay, so they don't care if I am applying for a program which is economics oriented, but I am putting a stuff which is, let's say, chemistry related. So it doesn't make any sense. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to make a specific CV for the program you are applying to. I know this is a lot of effort you will be putting in, but honestly speaking, if you don't put in an effort, it will be a wastage of time for applying this scholarship at the first place. So you have to keep in mind that you have to make a specific CV for each program you are applying to. I know you will have a lot of achievements. You will have achievements in every field, but the program doesn't care about other achievement. They are only concerned whether you are good in the field you are applying to or not. Okay. The second thing is, don't copy paste from ChatGPT. Okay. This is so funny these days, because what people are doing is they actually ask ChatGPT for making a good CV, or they just provide pointers to ChatGPT and ask the ChatGPT for writing a whole CV for you. This is bullshit. Okay. Make your own CV by writing it yourself. Yeah, if you have grammatical mistakes, you can actually get it proofread from any person which is who is good in English. Don't ask ChatGPT for writing your CV at all, because it's an AI algorithm. You will be asking the same thing, 100 of other will be asking the same thing, and it will be providing the same thing as well. And now plagiarism detectors are also there, so they actually detect that if it's written by a software or not. So don't do that. The third thing is, don't make your CV so long. People actually have 3 or 4 pages CVs, which is actually a very lengthy one. To be honest, no one is going to give a bullshit about your CV if it's more than 3 or 4 pages. Like, they don't care. You have added a lot of achievements. You are a brilliant star in, let's say, chemistry, but you are applying for economics. Okay, to be honest, a good CV actually varies around 1.5 page or 2 pages. If it's more than 2 pages, confine it to 2 pages. Okay, so the third point is 2 pages CV that you have to confine into. The fourth thing is you have to actually see what the program is asking you for. You know, some programs actually have this criteria that they are looking for that in the CV, but you are actually adding a lot of stuff which doesn't make sense, which is irrelevant. So what you have to do is you have to go to the program website and you have to see if the program has given you any such details that they are asking for you for particular in CVs. So let me give you an example. I have opened this Erasmus Mundus program, which is just for an example. If you just go and if you just see, okay, so how to apply, and they have given you a criteria of the CV they are looking for. If you just see, okay, where is CV? Okay, here is CV. Now their CV is very different from any CV you will actually make. So for example, in their CV, they are asking you for actually, you know, on the first page, you actually need to add personal details. On the second page, you have to add your previous education. And the third page, you actually have to, you know, make a list of whole mathematic courses you have taken. And then you also have to take a part of languages. So what is important is you have to go to the particular website and see what they are actually looking for, okay, and then actually make a customized CV for that program. And that's why I am asking you to make a customized CV. And the last point which you don't have to do is, guys, CV is just about mentioning what the work you have done and how the things that you have done is relevant to your programs you're applying to. You don't need to write the whole stories, you know, okay, I have done this bullet points and, you know, a long paragraphs and stuff like that. No, be concise. Don't be very elaborative. CV is not for being elaborative. Add words which are meaning. Each word should convey the meaning to the reader. You shouldn't just go and keep on writing stuff. You know, the quality is more important than quantity. Just don't be focusing on writing too much, okay? Just be concise. 2 lines for each work you have done, or maybe 3 lines, not more than that. Don't start writing about the methodology of the research you have worked on. They don't care. Just mention about the research objectives and the research results. That's all. Definitely we will be going in detail how to tackle these points in the extensive way in the coming videos. These are the actual points which I actually told you about, which you don't have to do, and usually these are the points that people actually repeat. So I hope you understand these points and you won't do that with your CV. So inshallah, in the coming videos I will be sharing in detail how you actually can make your effective CV. So subscribe to our channel and keep following, because this is gonna help you a lot. Till then, take care and have a good day.